Auto India is here at EV Expo 2024, and today we have Mr. Rahul Sharma, partner of Richer Engineering Works. Hello, Mr. Sharma.
Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you, sir?
This is Ashal.
Thank you so much. Please tell us about the products that are being showcased here.
So we are providing a complete solution kit for the EV e-rickshaw suspension parts. So we provide leaf springs. Along with leaf springs, we give them a 5-volt plate, shackle plate, all of their suspension. So that once they're looking for a good quality product, all of its subsidiary products like these need to be good quality too. So that these products, once put into the rickshaw itself, it doesn't need to be replaced.
Okay.
It doesn't have a replacement of sorts. So what we have experienced in past 5 years, whoever has produced our products hasn't gone back to a replacement. So we believe in good quality, and we are only OE manufacturers. So in this EV segment, we give it to most of the OEs over here. Along with it, earlier we were also giving it to Tata, Mahindra, Ashok Leyland.
Okay.
So we have worked in all the segments, HCV, LCV and EV segments, all of it.
Great, sir. What are your views on the EV industry of India?
It's growing at a pretty exponential level. Yeah, so we are hoping to work with more and more EV companies. That's our future, right? So it's EVs today with batteries. Tomorrow it may be hydrogen. So everything is going greener and greener. So we've started our initiative 6 years back to into this EV segment, and we hope to do more and more work over here and do some more innovative work.
Great, sir. What are your plans for 2025?
Plans as in?
As in any plans regarding product launches or market expansion?
Yeah, obviously. So there will be more and more. So even in our original product, what we started was from a conventional leaf spring. Now that 6 leaf has now shifted to 2 leaves. That is the innovation. So we are shifting for a lighter and more better product. So every day we keep on growing, making things better. So that's our target, to either introduce something new or whatever has already been introduced, make it better.
Great, sir. Do you face any challenges in the? Do you think the EV industry is facing any challenges in India?
I'll say it is growing at a steady pace.
Okay.
So every industry has its challenges.
True.
So I don't know. In my industry directly, I don't have challenges, but my customer faces some of the other challenges. Maybe in the banking segment, maybe financial. So they face some sort of segment, but it is being smoothened out over the years, and everything is doing better. With Gadkari's help, everything is going better. Yeah. So he's a visionary. So we believe with his guidance, things will go better. We hope so.
Do you have any advice to give to someone who wants to enter this industry?
So an advice is, it's a very competitive market. If you come, don't focus only on the product or the quality. Focus on something innovative. This market needs some innovation. Everybody is doing a regular business. Like me, the newer generation, and you as a younger generation, we should focus on more innovative, better parts, not just what is being done already. We need something special. So the X factor needs to be there.
Yes. Thank you so much for the interview, sir.
Absolutely nice meeting you, ma'am.